Hi everyone, this is Taha, and in this video I will show you how you can manage your documents on Notion with this free document tracker which I have made. So let me just give you a walk around on the template I created, which is available on Notion Marketplace as well as Gumroad. So here are the quick link buttons. You can add a personal document, add a work document, add a financial document, a new document, and you can also update it by clicking the edit button. But for example, if you don't want to update and just want to add a document, you can just click by clicking on new item and it will add a new document. For example, let me just add Notion docs. Status could be in review, category could be work, tags could be maybe business, and then date created is 26 April, right? So it's now showing on the recent documents, and anything that is created in this month will be shown on recent documents. And here are the categories. You can change, update, delete any category. For example, if I change the work category to maybe life, this will be changed. And if I want to add a new category, I can do by typing work and then click on create, and it will create a work category for me as well. And if you want to archive any specific document, for example, if I create document maybe test, and if I archive it, it will be shown in archive, and you don't have to delete this document database, otherwise this template won't work. So I hope this video was helpful, and I hope you can manage your documents on Notion better. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.